Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sabahul khair habibi wa habibti, sabahul nur, sabahul ful, sabahul wards. Kif halukum? Alhamdulillah khair. Ahlan ya jamil wa jamilah habibi wa habibti saffus sabi' ayyamil Al-an yaumul ithnin September 21st 2020. I am Walimah Tuti Wardani Bako SPD. Welcome back to biology class. Are you ready habibi wa habibti? Yalla bina nabada'un nasyat. Toyib habibi wa habibti, the indicator of the lesson for today are: the first, be able to identify the characteristic of Bryophyta and Pteridophyta. Second, be able to identify the reproduction organ of Bryophyta and Pteridophyta. The third, be able to identify the classification of Bryophyta and Pteridophyta. Toyib, our scientific word today is reproduction organ, alat perkembangbiakan. Follow after me. Reproduction organ, alat perkembangbiakan. Kaman marrah. Reproduction organ, alat perkembangbiakan. Reproduction organ, alat perkembangbiakan. Kaman marrah habibi wa habibti. Reproduction organ, alat perkembangbiakan. Toyib, our topic for today is about kingdom Plantae. And the subtopic for today is Bryophyta and Pteridophyta. The general characteristic of the kingdom Plantae are multicellular, eukaryotic, and capable of photosynthesis. Kingdom Plantae include Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, and Spermatophyta. Based on the basal duct, plants are divided into two groups, non-vascular plants and vascular plants. Include non-vascular plants is Bryophyta, as vascular plants are Pteridophyta and Spermatophyta. Habibi wa habibti, we are going to the first. The first is Bryophyta or moths. The bodies of several types of moths are cormous, have a simple stems and leaves, and their roots are thallus or cannot be distinguished between roots, stems, and leaf. Moths are cosmopolitan, or their distribution is very wide. Moths do metagenesis. It's a hereditary rotation between the gametophyte phase and sporophyte phase. Generative generation or gametophyte produce gametes or sex cells, while vegetative generation or sporophyte produce spores. So, reproduction in moths occurs in two stages. There are with spores and with sex cells. The two stages of reproduction is by turns. The process of metagenesis in moths is spores that fall in damp place will turn into protonema. Protonema are fine threads and buds in several places. Protonema will grow and develop into moths. Moths have two reproduction organs. There are antheridium and archegonium. The antheridium produce male sex cells we can call spermatozoid, and then the archegonium produce female sex cells we can call egg cells or ovum. When a spermatozoid fertilizes an ovum, a zygote is formed. The zygote will grow and develop into the sporogonium. Sporogonium is a new plant in the form of a stalk with a spore box at the corner. The sporogonium produces spores if dropped in the appropriate place will turn into protonema and then repeat the following cycle next and next. Bryophyta can divide into three groups. They are: the first, leaf moths or musky, a type of moth that already has organs like roots, stems, and leaves. For example, Pogonatum cirrhatum and Polytrichum commune. Second, liver moth or Hepaticae. This moth is shaped like a leaf sheath with branching. For example, Rebolia hemisphaerica and Marchantia polymorpha, which can be used as ingredients for hepatitis drugs. The third, horn moths or Anthocerotaceae, which grow like horns. For example, Anthoceros laevis. Habibu Habibti, we are going to the second, Pteridophyta or ferns. The body of Pteridophyta is already a cormus, which can be distinguished between true roots, stems, and leaves. However, ferns or Pteridophyta are still classified as low-level plants because they haven't produced seeds. The roots is root fibers. The stems are generally rhizomes that grow horizontally below or above the soil surface, except for a few types that already have real stems. Based on the function, the leaves are divided into sporophyls and tropophyls. Sporophyls leaves function to produce spores, and tropophyll leaves function for photosynthesis. Pteridophyta or ferns have a characteristic that their young leaves that roll up. Same like Bryophyta, Pteridophyta also has metagenesis or alternation of descent between the gametophyte generation and the sporophyte generation. The gametophyte stage begins when the spores released by the sporagonium fall in place and develop into protalium. Then, protalium forms a reproduction organ. There are the antheridium and archegonium. Antheridium produce sperm cells and archegonium produce eggs or ovum. The ovum and spermatozoid will meet. The fusion of sperm and ovum produce a zygote. The zygote will grow into an adult ferns or Pteridophyta. Adult ferns will produce spores. Spores will grow into protalium and until the cycle of descent rotations repeats. Pteridophyta can be classified into four groups. They are Verth, Silophyta or Paku purba is the simplest type of ferns. The stem is segmented. On the stem grow small, scale-shaped leaves. For example, Silotum sp. Second, Lycophyta or Paku kawat. The leaves are scales and scattered into the stem. The sporagonium converges to form a strobilus at the end of a stemmer branch. For example, Selaginella caudata and Lycopodium clavatum. The third, Sphenophyta or paku ekor kuda. This plant has small leaves arranged in a circle of stem segments. The shape of the stem is similar to a horse tail, so it is called a horse-tailed bird. All sporophyls are arranged in strobilus or cones at the ends of the trunk or branches. For example, the Equisentum debile. Fourth, Cherophyta or paku sejati. The portion of the leaves on the stem forms the wings. Sporangium is arranged in the form of sorus on the leaf surface. For example, Adiantum sp or suplir and Platycerium coronarium or simbar menjangan. Toyib, Habibi wa Habibti, Sofus Sabi'. That's all our lesson for today about Bryophyta and Pteridophyta. Next time we will meet anymore with another material. Keep spirit, keep study hard, Habibi wa Habibti. Don't forget to do your home project. Syukron for your attention. Ila liqa. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.